Are you being annoyed by the Update Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Get the professional update library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Update Library, a generic naming convention used by hundreds of third-party software suites to house their localized background update manifest logic. Because it manages automated network connections, it is a primary target for antivirus heuristics. If missing, the parent software will report update check failed every time it is launched. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Update serves as a critical internal bridge for localized update orchestration features, and you should download the latest version of your host program where you encountered the error to replace any truncated or damaged binaries to resolve the launch error. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered update library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Update Library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Update Library documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Update Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.